to activate Boost on Tinder. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to activate Boost on Tinder, a feature that can significantly increase your visibility and matches. It's important to note that activating Boost requires a subscription. Let's get started. Open the Tinder application and locate the human icon in the right corner below to access your profile. Just below your profile picture, you will find Boost option. Click on it to explore your Boost status. To acquire more Boost, click on Get More Boost option. Here you will be presented with various Boost packages. It's advisable to select a package that offers the best value, maximizing the number of Boost you require at a reasonable price. These Boost elevate your profile to the top in your area for 30 minutes, increasing your chances of getting more matches. Once you have chosen the Boost package that suits your preferences, click on the Select button. To proceed with the purchase, click on Add Credit and Debit Card. Enter your card details, ensuring a secure transaction, and then finalize the Boost purchase. Boost can be a valuable addition to your Tinder experience, providing a temporary but impactful surge in profile visibility. This feature is especially beneficial when you want to make a splash and attract more attention during your time on this app. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.